Facts and Figures, Unit 4, Lesson 1, Music and Behavior. Where did you go yesterday? Did you hear music at any of those places? There's a good chance that you did. Today, most stores and restaurants play music. You might even hear music in an office or on a farm. Scientists believe that music affects the way people behave. According to some scientists, the sound of Western classical music, Mozart and Bach, makes people feel richer. When a restaurant plays classical music, people spend more money on food and drinks. When the restaurant plays modern music, people spend less money. With no background music, people spend even less. Scientists also believe that loud, fast music makes people eat faster. People actually chew their food faster when the music gets faster. Some restaurants play fast music during their busy hours. This gets people to eat faster and leave quickly. Restaurants can make more money this way. Some scientists think that music makes you think and learn better. They say that music helps students to be more alert. It's true that people learn better when they are relaxed, and listening to music can help you relax. The next time you hear music somewhere, be careful. It might change the way you behave.